This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can swap or replace a battery on this drone. So first, you will need to look at the rear side of your drone, the side that is opposite to the camera. So locate the battery. Here it is, as you can clearly see, the power button. If we were to press it, it will show how much charge it has left. So now make sure that the drone is switched off, powered off entirely. Then unfold the front legs. So you'll have an access to the actual battery. And at the battery side, you have these two buttons, those are pretty much the buttons, which you will need to push in. And once they are pushed in all the way, simply take out the battery. Now, take the replacement, then align these two contact points with one another, and that should be enough for you to, know how to guide the battery into the drone, so make sure that they are properly aligned. Or you can just, make it so that the charging indicator faces the top side of the drone. I guess this alignment should also do. And then simply insert it like that until you hear a distinctive click, and you can tell that the battery is slotted all the way in. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.